My friends, like every year, Purbo Medinipur Jila Daba Sangstha is going to organize district championship on chess event for the year of 2025. My friends, this date has been scheduled as 13th April 2025 and the venue is Kontai PK College. I mean Kontai Prabhat Kumar College. My friends, this college we have able to reach here under the reference of our respected English teacher Gautam Nando. He is the father of rising chess player in Purbo Medinipur itself, Ahornish Nando. Now I shall get some information from his mouth.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Utpal Babu that he has considered the name of my place Kontai as the venue of District Chess Championship 2025. And in the history of Kontai, this is for the first time a particular tournament of this stature is going to be held. And we are really grateful and we pay our gratitude from our heart to this man, that is Utpal Babu. Without his consideration, it would have not been possible. Now, I would like to invite everybody to come over here to play, to get acquainted with this particular place. Let their children give a kind of a opportunity to be selected and go to the state championship, which is going to be held in different times of the year. And this is, I would like to say that still now, we people, we are very much lagging behind in chess. So far as Kolkata is concerned or South 24 Parganas is concerned, we people are lagging behind. And I have seen when I have taken Ahornish to many of the tournaments in Kolkata, I have found that there, in comparison to the players over there, the number of the players from Purbo Medinipur is obviously negligible. That cannot be considered to be enough. So, under these circumstances, I request everybody to come forward wholeheartedly and give them a kind of a opportunity to participate here. And you people obviously know it very well that the people, those who will be selected through this tournament will represent the district in the state championships. They will get a 50% concessions on their entry fees.
Yeah.
So obviously it's a huge opportunity for them. So come here, play, and all the facilities or the privileges which we are supposed to provide, we are trying our level best to arrange it. Utpal Babu is there, he is going to offer us the technical support, and we are also there to assist him. But you people come wholeheartedly. At least the participation in the district chess tournament is a very prestigious event in the life of your child. So give them a chance. At least they can say this over there in future that we have participated in the district chess championship. What is the grandeur, what is the importance, what is the significance, what is the scale of this tournament, they will come to know only after playing this tournament. It will be a dress rehearsal for the upcoming state tournaments also. So please come. And also Digha, Mandarmoni, Junpur, Shankarpur, Mandarmoni, our Tajpur, everything is close by. So if you people wish to go and visit in the meantime, obviously you are very much welcome. Okay, that's all Utpal Babu. We hope that more and more tournaments will take place at Kontai.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks. This road has gone to Rasalpur Kontai and this road has gone to Kontai Central Bus Stand. My friends, now I am going to Prabhat Kumar College. Prabhat Kumar College is known as P.K. College. Prabhat Kumar College was established in the year of 1926 at Kontai in Purbo Medinipur of West Bengal in India with a large donation from Vishwambhar Dinda in memory of his loving son late Prabhat Kumar Dinda. My friends, it is the oldest college of Purbo Medinipur district. This college was named after the name of late Prabhat Kumar Dinda, the son of donator late Vishwambhar Dinda. Initially, the college was started as an art college under the affiliation of University of Calcutta. In the year of 1985, the affiliation of this college was changed from University of Calcutta to Vidyasagar College. This college is located in the heart of Kontai in Purbo Medinipur district. This college is just walking distance from Kontai Central bus stand. In this beautiful college, Purbo Medinipur District Chess Championship 2025 Selection Tournament for West Bengal State Championship 2025 is organized by Purbo Medinipur Jila Daba Sanstha in association with Sara Bangla Daba Sanstha. My friends, here the first prize is 1200 cash plus trophy. Second prize is 800. Third prize is 600. Fourth prize is 500. And fifth prize to 10th prize is 400 each. Apart from that, there are 5 age groups: under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13 and under 15. Each and every age group, 3 trophies will be for boys and 1 trophy will be for girls. 2 trophies for above 60 years and 1 best woman trophy for above 20 years. My friends, I have shown you the place where the tournament will take place. My friends, I think this place is conducive environment for playing the chess tournament. My friends, this is the time we are going out and hope all of you will participate this district championship on chess event, which is going to take place for the first time on the soil of Kontai.
This particular Kontai PK College is situated just 100 meters away from Central Bus Stand.
Okay.
Central Bus Stand, from where the buses are always available.
Okay.
You will come down at the Central Bus Stand and then you will walk for 100 meters and you will reach Kontai. PK College.
Okay.
If you wish that no, I will not walk, I will actually take a auto. Everything is available.
Okay.
Abundantly available.
Okay. Thank you, my friends. Wish all of you will come. Tada. Bye. Best wishes. My friends, see, I want to show you how long this PK College is located from Kontai Central Bus Stand. My friends, see, very near. Just you can walk down the main road and within 2 minutes you will reach to Kontai knowledge from Quantai Central Bus Stand. Really good. If you miss this tournament, I think you cannot play the chess tournament in future within your reach. Say. And the road is neat and clean. If one pin will be there, then you can identify. And now we are almost at the Quantai Central Bus Stand. We are very nearer to Quantai Central Bus Stand. See, and now within 5 seconds we shall reach the Quantai Central Bus Stand. And see, this is the Quantai Central Bus Stand, and this road has gone to Quantai Bypass and Digha, and this road has gone to Howrah, Nandkumar, Kolaghat and Mechida. And see, this is the Quantai Central Bus Stand area. Really good. Please, my friends, all of you are invited for participation in this Purbo Medinipur District Championship on chess event. Thank you.